So when it comes to the auto loan dispute letter or deletion letter, this is what we need to know. What makes the auto letter works, right? What makes it work? All right, let's get into it right now. So we're going to go over the Cornell law. Let me share screen here. So for the auto deletion letter, the reason why it works is a few things. The first law we're going to go to is 1681. 1681A. On the definitions and rules of construct. Now, when we go down to number 2, to exclusions, right? Except as provided in paragraph 3, the term consumer report does not include. And when you go down to B, B says, any authorization or approval of a specific extension of credit directly or indirectly by the issuer of a credit card or similar device. Now, some of you might be saying, well, Darain, a auto loan is not a credit card account. Well, yes, it is, because if you go over to Truth in Lending, which is 15 USC 1602, and we go to the definition and we scroll down to L, the term credit card right here. The term credit card means any card, plate, coupon book, or other credit device existing for the purpose of obtaining money, property, labor, or services on credit. Now, when you applied for this auto loan, didn't you use your social? Didn't you use your driver's license or your ID? The meaning says any card, plate, coupon book, or other credit device. So isn't your social a credit device? Isn't it used in the extension of credit? Isn't your ID a credit device? Isn't your ID used in the extension of credit? So this law, in conjunction with 15 USC 6802, the dispute letter that you're looking at underneath this video, or if you go to DarainDeLevante.com, the auto loan dispute letter or deletion letter, it also uses 15 USC 6802B, which is the opt-out section where your general disclosures are. So a financial institution may not disclose non-public personal information to an unaffiliated third party unless, well, your auto loan is not a matter of public information, it's private information, right? So for that, for them to report it, it requires you getting 3 disclosures. First disclosure is a disclosure that clearly and conspicuously discloses to the consumer, you, in writing or electronic form or other form permitted by the regulation prescribed under section 6804 of this title, that such information may be disclosed to third party, right? And B is that the consumer is given the opportunity. So you're given the opportunity before they report the information to direct that such information not be disclosed, because you have that right. And if you decide based on C that you do not want this information reported, they must give you an explanation as to how you can exercise this non-disclosure option. So these are the 2 laws when combined in this dispute letter below that you can get. You use that dispute letter to go get your auto loan deleted from your credit. And the reason why you want to delete auto loans from your credit is it drops your DTI, your debt to income. If there's late payment on the auto loans, or if there's any negative remarks on it, guess what? This is an opportunity for you to get rid of any negative or derogatory information that might be on that account.